If you are wondering if you can play Madden NFL 26 online, then the answer is yes, of course. We have multiple different ways to play this game online, depending on what you like. For example, we have the Ultimate Team, which is a game mode where you collect cards or players, and you build a team, a whole lineup, or maybe even multiple lineups with these players. We have the franchise mode, which can be played both offline and online. So you can create an online franchise mode that can be played with other players, with other people, maybe your friends or just random people from all around the world. Really, you can of course join their franchises as well. You can create your own league, your own rules, and so on and so forth. Now, besides that, we also have the superstar mode, so you become an NFL superstar, you create your own one player, and you skill them up, you gain the experience, of course, and improve their stats, and so on and so forth. You can experience the draft, combine, and so on. There's the online head-to-head, so you can play ranked games, and you can climb in the rankings by going just simply head-to-head against other players in an online match. And you can also play with your friends, like a friendly match or something like that. And of course, we have a quick play which contains the Superstar KO, which also allows you to play online. And I believe that's pretty much it. The play now option is actually for couch co-op, so this is not really online. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.